Hey, Victory and Med here again, and I've got something very special for you that'll take your purchase to the next level. So thank you very much for your trust in me so far, and your access is on the way. However, how would you like to upgrade to UpReachr Pro today and instantly 10 times your traffic, influencer deals, and profits without extra work, just extra features? This is your chance to go unlimited and remove limitations from all the features, get new powerful features, and 10 times the amount of influencer deals you get in a few clicks. Once again, congratulations and thank you for investing in UpReachr. You've made a very smart choice and you're about to start getting traffic from multiple social media networks from highly engaged influencers with ease. That is a fact, and you do not need to buy anything else to get these results and benefits that we promise. UpReachr is the #1 solution for you as of today. However, I've got a special upgrade that's going to take your results to the next level, so please pay very close attention to it. This upgrade is optional, but it will put everything on steroids, and the beauty of it is that you don't need to work harder. It's simply features that get you better results a lot faster. Allow me to introduce UpReachr Pro 10X Edition. So what's new in this upgrade, and how does it put UpReachr on steroids? You see, although you have an innovative and profitable software in your hands and what we promised will be delivered, it doesn't mean you cap out on all these benefits. There are additional ways to improve upon the software's features and get better results. UpReachr Pro contains everything you need to scale and get next-level results in no time. Benefits such as faster traffic and deals, thanks to powerful and new bulk messaging features. You also get to automate the entire conversation with the influencers using a brand new and dynamic autopilot messaging mode, which is not available at all on the commercial version. And you get to supercharge your results by improving every single aspect and feature of UpReachr, which means we are removing all limitations you currently have so that you can run endless campaigns and never worry about hitting a wall. And that's just a few key benefits out of the many. Fact is, with the Pro upgrade, you will simply beat the competition like no other marketer and siphon incredible amounts of traffic for your niche in no time. And yes, with the same simplicity as an UpReachr standard. Nothing changes, no extra work, just extra features. That's what makes the Pro truly a once-in-a-lifetime upgrade. Here are the insane advantages that you'll instantly get after upgrading to the Pro. Advantage #1. 10 times your traffic and influencer deals instantly with bulk messaging. While in the normal version, you can message each influencer individually and one by one. With this feature, you can now message as many as you want at once. Just add them to a list and bulk message the entire list. This is perfect if you have many influencers in the same niche across different networks. We started getting results 10 times faster and, of course, as a result, 10 times more traffic after we developed this feature for ourselves. Now that it's on sale, you can unlock it as part of this huge Pro upgrade. Advantage #2, get 20 instead of 3 on Basic marketing message templates for versatility, longevity, and flexibility of marketing. Right now, with the basic version you have, you can use 3 powerful and effective influencer contacting and closing templates. But these will get saturated by the many people who will be using them over time. If you want more flexibility, about 6 times more, and you want more versatility for more niches, then you will love these extra templates. Advantage #3, go unlimited and create unlimited campaigns, lists, and email templates. Never worry about hitting a results wall. Right now, there's no denying you are limited. You can still get incredible results, but there are certain limitations of how many campaigns, lists, and email templates you can create and store. The limitations are mainly due to financially not being able to simply let anyone who paid the small entry price use the full power of our servers. As part of this Pro upgrade, you get everything unlocked. Go completely unlimited. Advantage #4. Activate our new autopilot mode for UpReachr to work for you 24/7. When we're talking about scaling and about mass results, we need a lot of campaigns working at the same time. which means we need to have some sort of autopilot mode. The problem we faced is that creating an autopilot mode must be perfect. The automated messaging must make sense and actually close deals, like a chatbot. Well, after many months of working on it, this new fully functional and really awesome autopilot feature is ready. And this allows for automated messaging so that you set and forget campaigns that will generate tens of thousands of clicks for you. Advantage number 5, unlock quality image finder and editing features to create graphics needed on the fly and fast without any technical know-how. When it comes to social media in any shape or form, having a kick-ass, captivating, and modern graphics is a must, and you must produce them quickly, like you're a factory. This is why we're also giving you powerful image finding and editing features, as well as an integration to the very popular software, Usign, which tens of thousands of people use daily to create kick-ass graphics for any purpose. With these 5 new additions to your account, you'll be getting more traffic than you can handle or ever thought was possible. Trust me. These are some high-level features. So are you ready to 10 times your results instantly without any extra work? If so, simply click the button below to instantly upgrade your account now. Understand, this is a complete no-brainer. With the UpReachr Pro upgrade, you'll put everything on UpReachr Standard on steroids, but also you'll have a huge advantage over your competition and you'll actually get better results from the start. Are you ready to 10 times your traffic and earnings instantly? Then upgrade to the Pro today and I'll see you on the other side. And don't forget, you're covered by our 100% refund policy that is standard across all UpReachr purchases, so you're fully protected in any case. So let's get you those crazy results and swarm you with targeted traffic, leads, and of course, sales in the easiest and fastest way possible. 10 times your traffic and earnings potential instantly now. Speak to you soon, and we'll see you on the inside.